This is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2014 Topps Triple Threads Football. It's a 3-box break. This is a break through the website, guys. I'm going to read off the names with the teams for your lineup. Here we go. Paul M. has the Bills, Browns, and Dolphins. Gary M. with the Bengals. Travis R. with the Lions. Scott C. with the Seahawks. Marvel L. with the Texans. Joey W. with the 49ers. Derek G. with the Cowboys. Myron D. with the Saints and the Jets. Joey M. with the Broncos. Nancy R.'s got the Giants, Jaguars, and Titans. Jeff P. with the Steelers and Falcons. Nicholas F. with the Panthers and Patriots. Michael C. with the Bears. William A. with the Colts. And Alex W. with the Bucks, guys. That's your lineup. Good luck, everyone. We got 3 sealed boxes here. These are straight from the case, guys. 3 sealed boxes. Good luck, everybody. Let's get to it. There's one mini box, and there's another mini box. That's empty in there, guys. Here we go. First mini. One pack, empty box there, guys. And let's get the base cards up to the front here. And here we go. Julio Jones, 171 out of 199. Julio. 171 out of 199. Julio. Falcons. Julio Jones again. 105 out of 399. 105 out of 399. Different variation there. Jamal Charles, Chiefs. Jamal Charles. Texans, Arian Foster, Texans. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers, Kaepernick. And your first hit, guys, going this way. 1 out of 50. Titans, Mettenberger. Rookie jersey auto. That's 1 out of 50. 1 out of 50. Titans on the board first. Titans strike first. Good pick there, Nancy. And your second hit. Going this way, 13 out of 27. Fitzy, the Cardinals. Nice 3-color patch in the middle there. 13 out of 27. Fitzgerald. Nice 3-color patch in the middle. Here we go, next mini box. Titans and Cardinals on the board first. One pack, empty box. Colts, T.Y. Hilton, 117 out of 399. T.Y. for the Colts. Stafford, Lions. 178 out of 399. Stafford for the Lions. Dez Bryant, Cowboys. Griffin, Robert, the third. Ace Sanders for the Jags. And first hits going this way. Buccaneers getting on the board. Austin Seferian-Jenkins, tight end. Nice 3-color patch on the right side there. 16 out of 25. 16 out of 25. Come on, camera. Seferian-Jenkins. Nice patch. Rookie auto here. There it goes. 16 out of 25 there. Buccaneers. And next hit. Going this way. Dre Archer. Steelers. Steelers. 63 out of 75. 63 out of 75. Dre Archer. Jumbo white jersey there. Steelers. Alright, next box, guys. One mini, second mini, empty in there. And here we go. Unpack, empty box in there, guys. Here we go. Andre Johnson, Texans, 80 out of 199. Jersey number. Texans, 80 out of 199. Andre Johnson, that's jersey number. Reggie Wayne, 64 out of 399. Colts. Flacco. Matt Forte. Ndamukong Suh. And first hit, going this way. Patriots. Jimmy Garoppolo. And that is 91 out of 99. Jersey rookie auto for the Patriots. 91 out of 99. Garoppolo. Nice card. Patriots. Next hit. Oh, there's the Bills. Bills getting on the board with an old school Stevie Johnson. 22 out of 36. WRTDSJ. That's a two-color patch in the middle on the TD part. So the Bills getting on the board. That is Bills. 22 out of 36. Stevie Johnson. Next mini. Unpack at the box. This one's feeling a little light. Maybe a redemption. Maybe I can't get it open either. Looks like a redemption in here, guys. Yep, got a little redemption action. Here we go. Robert Quinn. 42 out of 99. Robert Quinn. Bengals. No Bengal hit, Gary. We had Garoppolo jersey rookie auto and a Stevie Johnson throwback in the Bills patch. 42 out of 99. If you need anything else, Gary, just let me know. Robert Quinn. Alex Smith, 115 out of 399. 115 out of 399. Peyton Manning. T.Y. Hilton. Cam Newton. And here we go, your first hit, which is a redemption. Carlos Hyde, 49ers. Base rookie auto relic. Carlos Hyde, 49ers. Carlos Hyde, 49ers. I'll run back through the hits again real quick, guys, since you guys might have missed the last couple hits. Carlos Hyde here. Redemption in your next hit after that. Aaron Murray, Chiefs. Aaron Murray for the Chiefs, 26 out of 99. 26 out of 99. Aaron Murray, Chiefs, jumbo red relic. The previous two hits was the Garoppolo, 91 out of 99 on the Garoppolo, and the Stevie Johnson, 22 out of 36. Two-color patch, throwback Bills. Throwback Bills, Stevie Johnson. If there's anything else you guys need, just holler. All right, guys, last box. One mini, two minis, empty. No problem, Nancy. Here we go. One pack, empty box. Here we go, Denarius Moore, Raiders, 12 out of 199, Denarius Moore, Raiders. Terrell Suggs, Ravens, 225 out of 399. 225 out of 399. Terrell Suggs. Julius Thomas. Denarius Moore. Mike Glennon. First hit, guys. Going this way. First hit. Bears getting on the board. The Bears. Kadeem Carey. 18 out of 99. 18 out of 99 there. Kadeem Carey. And that's a jersey rookie auto for the Bears. And your next hit. Tony Romo. Tony Romo, 29 out of 36. TR equals TDs. 2 white swatches and a blue swatch. Tony Romo, 29 out of 36 for the Cowboys. I'm trying for ODB, Nancy. I promise. I'm trying. All right, last mini box. Good luck, everybody. One pack, empty box. CJ Spiller on the top there. Here we go. Vincent Jackson, 152 out of 199. VJack. Vincent Jackson, Buccaneers. Roddy White, 81 out of 399 on the Roddy White. Falcons. CJ Spiller. Giovanni Bernard. Patrick Peterson. And first hit. Going this way. Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Second one of him. Buccaneers. 32 out of 99. 32 out of 99. That's a couple Seferian-Jenkins. Buccaneers getting on the board there. And here we go. Last hit. Good luck. And it's a repeat for Dre Archer for the Steelers. Dre Archer. 44 out of 99. Jumbo white there. Jumbo white swatch. 44 out of 99. Steelers getting the last hit there. Let me do a quick hit recap, guys. Got the Dre Archer, Seferian-Jenkins, 32 out of 99. Triple swatch, rookie auto. Tony Romo, 29 out of 36. Tony Romo. Kadeem Carey, 18 out of 99. Jersey rookie auto. Carlos Hyde redemption for base rookie auto relic. Carlos Hyde. Chiefs, Aaron Murray, jumbo red swatch there. Stevie Johnson, 2-color patch in the middle, 22 out of 36. The Bills. Garoppolo for the Patriots, 91 out of 99. Jersey rookie auto. Dre Archer, 63 out of 75. Jumbo white swatch. Seferian-Jenkins, nice 3-color patch there on the right there. 16 out of 25. 16 out of 25. Buccaneers. Cardinals, Fitzy, 13 out of 27. 3-color patch in the middle. And we started out with a Mettenberger, 1 out of 50. Jersey rookie auto. Guys, I'll stick around for a few minutes. Really appreciate everybody breaking with us. Next Sunday night, I'll have another breakup. I'll have that, should have that hopefully posted tomorrow. And we'll get that going so we can sell teams for next Sunday night. I'll see everybody throughout the week. Got eBay breaks coming up, so I'll see everybody throughout the week. I'll stick around, guys. Thanks again.